Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to earn Bitcoins online for free. As we all know, Bitcoin is a digital currency which operates free of any central control or the oversight of banks or governments. Instead it relies on peer-to-peer software and cryptography. Now all you have to do is to search for a browser you will be using to use this technique I'm going to tell you. In my case I will be using Phoenix browser. In the search box type in moonbitcoins.com and wait for it to load. You will need a strong internet connection for this to work. As you can on your screen, it's the website we are on. They show you that they are currently paying some people Bitcoins. You will need to have a wallet address for this to work. You can get it by downloading the Trust Wallet from Play Store or Apple Store or create your own wallet. Now you will copy and paste your Bitcoin wallet address into this box and you are going to press on the login button. It should take a while and all you have to do is to press on the start button to begin. You can see my account on your screen. It's like the dashboard to keep track with your activities. Press where it's written Start Bitcoin Mining. On your screen you are seeing that window should not be closed until it's finished loading, otherwise you won't receive your reward. It should show you the amount of time remaining for it to finish. You can repeat the process over and over. Let's move on to the daily bonus. This is where they should pay you when you log in into your account every day. The last part I wanna talk about is the withdrawal. For it to work there is a certain amount of earnings you should have. Once you have completed it you will cash out your earnings into your wallet. This is why you need to have a wallet because that's where your Bitcoins will go. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.